Hey y'all, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. Come on in. My laptop is not working, so I'm gonna pull you up on my phone so I can see your comments. It's not even showing me that I'm live yet. Oh my gosh, am I live? Good morning, good morning. I guess I am live, but I just can't see it on my page. So I'll look at it from my personal page, right? Lord, I'm not going to be able to see that. Let's see if we can put it right there. So I got the boxwood Turn Me Ons, all one word, and we're going to put it on the ring board. I have already started, and look at all that fun color. Is that not pretty? So I've already started, and what I've done is you're going to need 96 pieces total. Now each bush comes with 7 stems. So you're going to need 96 total. So depending on what colors you're using, I'm using all of them. So I've got like 5 colors already laid out. Hey. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bushes cut. So let's see if 3 in each zip tie is gonna be enough. And I think it is. It looks like it's gonna be plenty. You're not seeing the board. Good morning, good morning. So let's bring you down and finish this up. So I've got white, yellow, actually orange should have been next, I believe, and then pink and purple. So I've got them all cut out and laid. That way I can just pick and go, okay? I know. So I ended with orange. So I'm doing a pink, a purple, and then I'm going back to the white. That way I know all of the colors are kind of mixed up. Okay? I'm actually going to take my glasses off because I can see your comments better without my glasses. Okay? And then I'm just going to stick them right into the zip tie. And zip it up. And then just cut them off. Now I ended with the white. So now I'm going to go back to the yellow, orange, and pink. Good morning, y'all. Isn't this fun? I love the colors. Now these are a little bit different from the ones that I used last week because they are calling these boxwood Turn Me Ons. So they're a little bit different, but they're just so pretty. I mean, would you ever guess they were plastic flowers? Like, really? No. The babies are good. Oh, I didn't give you the Monday morning live with the babies, did I? They're getting so big. So this one is available if you would like it. You can just shoot me a message, but look at all this colorful goodness. So I ended with, what did I end with? That's the problem, is keeping track of what you ended with. So I ended with yellow. So we're going back to the orange, pink, purple. Hey, hey. But these would definitely look awesome out by your pools, outside under your fence, anywhere. They are UV resistant, so it would be gorgeous. And they are wired, so you can kind of see how I'm kind of lifting them up, so that gives it that, what look am I going for? I can't think of the word. Not frilly, but, Lord, I can't even think, y'all. Good morning, good morning. So you can find these on Amazon. They are called Turn Me On. I did not come up with that name, but you have to put it in all in one word. Turn Me On. Whimsical. There you go. Good morning. You're going to need 96 pieces. And each bush comes with 7 pieces. I know, isn't it pretty? And I'm thinking just 3 is going to be enough in each zip tie. Good morning, good morning. If y'all float my boat, I'd appreciate it. Back with the purple. Yes, you can get these on Amazon. What did y'all do this weekend? Did you have an awesome Mother's Day? We had a crawfish bowl Saturday, and I don't even know what time that ended because I went to bed. The kids were still up with their friends. I was like, I'm going to bed. I'm out of here. And then I got roses, a steak dinner. I was like, I love y'all. Lots of flowers on anything. It was freezing. What? What? It's May. Why is it still freezing? Yep, 14 bushes. $28. Ruth. Just go to Amazon, pull up Turn Me On, all one word, and this is the boxwood version. Drop something. Oh, I dropped one of my stems, so I knew exactly how many I cut, and it just fell again. All right, purple. Back to the white. You made the hand statues? Awesome. I got another one for Monk to do, holding a rose, and then I forgot all about it. So we still need to do that and give it to Taylor. But I found this rose. Actually, Tina sent me a video of a little kid doing it for his mom for Mother's Day. And I was like, oh, I've got to do it. And then I forgot it was. You'll never guess where it was. Anybody guess where it was? By the front door. Tornadoes. Oh my gosh. And 50. See, I do gonna get lost on what color I stopped with. So yellow, orange, and pink. Might be too little for the hand thing. Maybe. Probably. Because they do have to hold still for quite a while. Unless you do it while they're sleeping. I mean, get the tummy nice and full. And then do it. But this would be pretty just to do as a yellow and purple. Not turn me up, turn me on. All one word. Everybody kept messaging me. I can't find it. All one word, y'all. White, yellow. Oh my gosh. See, now I'm starting to get confused. Let me see how many I have. I got a yellow. Oh, okay. So it's the orange. See, that's the hardest part of this right here, is keeping them all straight. We're almost done, y'all. That went super fast. Purple. Hold on, I got confused again. I've got yellow. And okay, so it is. So purple, white, and yellow. Trying to pull these up and get underneath there. Get this last bunch in. Okay. And then orange, pink, and purple. Hello, hello. Nope, I'm not even going to put a bow on this, y'all. Doesn't need it. So because I used 5 colors, so you really only need 13, but because I used 5 colors, I had to cut an extra one to get all the colors. So it wasn't off, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's get all these back in place. And I'm just going to lift them up. Now you could add a bow if you wanted, but I don't see that it needs one. I mean, I don't want to cover up. Y'all, I don't do florals, so I ain't going to cover them up when I do them. Right? So definitely nice and full. So 3 stems is going to be enough. Look how pretty that is. And then just hang it. Put your zip tie in your hanging holes. Maybe. And there you go. That's so pretty, y'all.